Google Veo 3 Tutorial for Beginners. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who's just starting out in filmmaking, animation, or content creation, and you've always dreamed of creating high-quality cinematic videos without the need for expensive equipment, complex software, or a big production team, then you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through Google Veo 3, a powerful AI tool developed by Google DeepMind that lets you create visually stunning and incredibly realistic videos using nothing more than a simple text prompt. So if you're ready to unlock a new era of video creation and bring your ideas to life with AI, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive into the amazing world of Google Veo 3. Whether you're aiming for cinematic storytelling, imaginative concept visuals, or hyper-realistic scenes, Veo 3 Flow gives you full creative control. So let's dive in and explore how to use Veo 3 through Flow. To begin, head over to deepmind.google.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the option that says Try Flow and click on it. This will take you to the Flow video generation platform by Google DeepMind. Now, if you're new and want to get started without paying anything up front, simply click on the Create with Flow button. This will prompt you to sign up for a Google AI subscription. Don't worry, the subscription includes a 30-day free trial, which gives you a set number of credits that you can use to create high-quality video content. These credits can be spent on generating full video scenes using text prompts, expanding still images into animations, or even creating custom transitions and effects. All the incredible videos you see on the Flow platform are created using these simple but powerful tools. So, how exactly do you activate the trial and start using Flow? Once you've activated your free trial, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. On the top right corner of this screen, you'll see an option called Watch Flow TV. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a dedicated area where you can watch videos generated by other creators using Flow. It's a great place to explore, get inspired, and understand what's possible with different types of prompts. As you scroll through Flow TV, you'll notice that each video has a Show Prompt button at the bottom. Clicking on this will reveal the exact text prompt that was used to generate that video. This is extremely helpful if you're looking to understand how to format your own prompts or borrow ideas for your next project. Once you're familiar with the layout and you've explored some content, it's time to start building your own project. Simply return to the main dashboard and click on Create with Flow at the top right, then select New Project. After clicking New Project, your workspace will open. Here you'll see a text box at the bottom where you can enter your prompt. Above that, you have two core options to choose from: Text to Video, to create video directly from a descriptive prompt; Frames to Video, and to generate videos from a sequence of frames or still images. Let's say we want to create something imaginative. In the prompt box, type something like, "A world where everything is made of sparkling gems. A woman is walking through the streets with buildings, trees, and vehicles all shimmering like crystals." Once your prompt is ready, look over to the right side of your screen. You'll find a settings panel where you can adjust key parameters. These settings help fine-tune the look and feel of your video to match your creative vision. In the next part of the video, we'll cover pricing details, subscription tiers, and how to manage your credits wisely, so be sure to stick around till the end. Once you're ready to generate your video, the first step is to configure a few essential settings. At the top of the interface, you'll see the Number of Outputs setting. This allows you to choose how many different versions or variants of the video you'd like to generate from the same prompt. This can be especially helpful if you're looking for creative diversity and want to compare multiple results side by side. Next, you'll be prompted to select the AI model that will be used for generation. Google Flow currently supports both Veo 2 and Veo 3 models. While Veo 2 offers relatively fast rendering with decent quality, the real magic happens when you select Veo 3. The Veo 3 model enables the generation of ultra-realistic, high-resolution videos with synchronized sound, making it ideal for creators looking to produce cinematic quality scenes with lifelike visuals and immersive audio. Since I want the best output, I'll go ahead and choose VO3. Once the model and other settings are configured, I simply enter my prompt and hit the Generate button. The system will begin processing, and within just a few minutes, depending on the complexity and length of your prompt, your video will be rendered. Once the video is ready, a thumbnail preview will appear. You can click on it to watch the final result. In my case, I generated a scene based on a world made of sparkling gems, and now I can hear ambient sounds, such as footsteps gently tapping the gem-covered ground, along with the crystalline jingles as the character moves through the environment. It's an incredibly immersive experience that really showcases the power of audio and storytelling. To save the generated video, simply click on the download icon located just below the video preview. You'll be presented with 3 different download formats: animated GIF for quick shareable animations, original version, the video as it was initially created, upscaled version, 1080p, enhanced for higher resolution and better quality, ideal for presentations or professional video editing. Now, let's say you don't want to stop at a single scene. Maybe you're building a short film or a sequence of events. No problem. VO3 Flow allows you to easily add and extend scenes. To add a continuation to your video, click on the Add to Scene button located in the top left corner. This will open up a scene editor where you can chain multiple scenes together to build a coherent story. On the new screen, you'll see a plus icon, which opens 2 powerful options: Extend Scene. Continue the current scene by adding what happens next. Add from previous scenes. Insert scenes that you've generated before into your current video timeline. For this example, I'll choose Extend Scene because I want to follow the journey of the character we introduced earlier. In the next prompt, I'll describe what happens after the first scene. For instance, the camera focuses on a woman made of pink gemstones. She walks gracefully down the sparkling street, enters an emerald shop, and purchases several home items crafted entirely from different types of gems. After entering this continuation prompt, I again select VO3 as my model. It's important to note that if you used VO2 for your initial scene, you could switch between models. But if your first scene was created using VO3, then you'll need to continue using VO3 for all extensions to maintain visual and audio consistency. Once I finalize the prompt, I click Generate, and within a few minutes, the extended scene is ready. I can now watch it, review the new segment, and if needed, repeat this process to continue building more scenes, effectively creating a complete narrative video. With VO3 and Flow, you're not limited to static visuals. You're creating living, breathing moments that are shaped by your imagination, all from just a few lines of text. Stay tuned as we move forward to explore how to refine transitions between scenes, add camera motion, and manage your projects effectively. Now, if you ever find yourself getting video results that don't match your expectations, maybe the visuals look off, or the movement isn't quite what you imagined, don't worry, it's a common part of the learning process. In such cases, I always recommend taking a step back and heading over to Flow TV. Flow TV is an incredibly valuable resource because it showcases a wide range of videos that other users have created using VO3. When you watch these videos, you're not just seeing the final product, you're also able to view the exact prompt that was used to generate each one. This insight can help you understand what specific keywords or descriptions are producing high-quality results, and which ones might be missing from your own prompts. For example, if your videos are too plain or lack cinematic quality, it could be because you're not specifying key visual elements. These could include the type of camera lens, wide angle, close-up, macro, the background style, futuristic cityscape, natural forest, abstract design, the camera motion, pan in, pan out, tracking left or right, or even finer details like lighting conditions, soft morning light, harsh shadows, studio lighting. These creative components dramatically affect how your video looks and feels. Observing how other users frame their prompts will help you craft more refined and visually powerful inputs, ultimately producing better results with fewer retrees. Now, jumping back to our own generated content, let's look at one of the simpler videos we created, a guy playing video games. This particular output looks quite natural and realistic. almost like a candid moment caught on camera. But it's also very basic because we didn't feed many details into the prompt. As a result, the scene feels somewhat generic, lacking the unique flair or style that could make it stand out. This demonstrates how critical it is to add descriptive layers to your prompt. The more guidance you give the AI, the more control you have over the final outcome. Another impressive feature in Flow is its expand from image capability. In this case, we took a single static image and used Veo 3's AI to convert it into a moving editorial-style video. You can actually see how the frame begins as a frozen still, and then gradually evolves into a dynamic animation. This is a great tool for bringing illustrations, storyboards, or even concept art to life, with fluid camera motion and sound. This level of creativity and flexibility does come at a cost, though. Google AI offers several pricing plans depending on your needs. The good news is, you can get started with a free trial, which gives you a generous number of credits to experiment and create. But once your trial ends, or you need more credits, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. For instance, the Google AI Pro plan offers extended credit limits, faster rendering, and access to advanced tools. It's available on a monthly basis, so you can subscribe based on your project needs. Whether you're a hobbyist, experimenting with video prompts, or a professional using Flow for production-level content. Once your free trial ends, you won't be charged automatically. You'll only be billed if you choose to upgrade to a paid plan. When it comes to subscriptions, Google offers two main options, the Pro plan and the Ultra plan. Each of these plans is designed to cater to different types of users. If you're someone who casually creates content or is just beginning to explore what Flow AI has to offer, the Pro plan provides enough credits and features to get you going. But if you're working on larger projects, want faster rendering times, and need access to more advanced features and higher quality outputs, then the Ultra plan is the way to go. It's important to note that pricing will vary depending on the country you are located in. Google AI Flow is currently available in over 70 countries worldwide, and you can easily check the full list on their official site. If you happen to live in a region where the service isn't available yet, don't worry, you can still access Flow AI using a VPN. Just connect to a country where Flow is supported, and you'll be able to sign up, start creating, and take full advantage of the platform. So, whether you're into creative storytelling, cinematic animation, or editorial-style content creation, this tool opens up a world of possibilities, all powered by your imagination and a few lines of text. If you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you could leave a like to support the channel. It motivates me to keep making more content like this for you guys. And if you have any questions at all, whether it's about using Google's Flow AI, clarifications about pricing, tutorials on other platforms, or even if you're facing trouble with a social media tool, feel free to drop your questions in the comment section below. I always do my best to respond as quickly as possible because this channel is all about helping you navigate digital platforms with ease and confidence. My goal here is simple, to help you glide smoothly through tools and technology so you can create the kind of content you envision without getting stuck or overwhelmed. And hey, if there's something in the video you feel I didn't cover, or if there's a feature you'd like me to dive deeper into, don't hesitate to let me know in the comments. Your feedback helps me improve and shape future videos to better suit your needs. That's all for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.